Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Eli and welcome back to the channel for another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the 2020 iPad 8th Gen to see if it can be served as your main editing machine for your YouTube channel.
Gotta cross the 300, cause I wanted a Bentley. I wanted a luxury, keyless entry, I got a poor man's Bentley. First swoop was a Benz, put up with the roof missing. Just wanted the status, no I couldn't afford it, but she was so hot over here.
A couple months ago, Apple released an update to their entry-level iPad, and not much about it actually changed. As a matter of fact, the hardware stayed the exact same, storage configuration and memory also stayed the exact same. It went from the A10 chip to the A12 chip, which does provide a significant boost in performance, but other than that, nothing else about this iPad actually changed. So today we're going to take a look at it and see if it can actually be used to be your main editing machine for your YouTube videos. But before we get into that, make sure to drop a like and comment down below to show your support to this channel. And if you're new, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification for more videos like this. Fun fact, the very first video on this channel was actually edited on the 2019 7th Gen iPad. So I think it is safe to say that you can use the 8th Gen to edit your videos. After all, nothing really changed about it except for the processor actually got an upgrade. So what type of YouTubers would actually use the iPad as their main editing machine? Making YouTube videos is not about the equipment that you actually use, it's about your creativity. So it doesn't matter how big or small your channel is, you can actually use the iPad, the entry-level iPad, to edit your videos with. Now, of course, it depends on what type of videos you're making because it does have some limitations. So if you are making headshot videos like this one and you do not need a fancy setup, then the iPad is actually a great way for you to edit your videos. That way you can keep your setup very minimal, and that way you don't have to worry about carrying around a big laptop with you so you can edit your videos on. So what kind of setup should you be looking at if you're going to be using the iPad as your main editing machine? Well, to start with, you need to get the iPad. This configuration is the 32 gig model with the Wi-Fi only option. I got this one because I did not intend for it to become my main editing machine. I got it mainly for school. And since most of my schoolwork is gonna be done on the cloud, I didn't really need a lot of storage. So I decided to go with the 32 gig option. But if you are looking to use this iPad as your main editing machine, I would recommend that you actually go with the 128 gigs. That way you'd have plenty of storage so you can actually edit your videos and not have to worry about running out of space. Next, I'd actually recommend that you get an external hard drive. Now, I don't know if you'd actually be able to use the external hard drive to edit your videos on, but at least you can use it to store your videos and your footage and all the files that you have. So an external hard drive would be a great accessory to go with it to complete your setup. Next, I'd recommend that you actually go with a stylus. Now, of course, there's the Apple Pencil, but if you are going with the entry-level iPad, I would not recommend that you spend $100 on just the stylus, especially when there's plenty other options out there that would get the job done. Now, of course, those stylus cannot replace the Apple Pencil because the Apple Pencil was made for the iPad, where those styluses were just third-party accessories, so you will lose on some features. But even the cheapest stylus that you can find on Amazon will be more than good enough to get the job done. And next, AirPods. Now, you don't specifically have to get the Apple AirPods. You can get any wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Or if you prefer, you can actually get wired headphones because it does still come with the headphone jack. Now, as far as your camera goes, you can choose to go with a vlogging camera. But for the sake of simplicity, if you already have an iPhone, I'd recommend that you actually use that to film your videos with, because when you're done, you can simply just airdrop it to your iPad and you are ready to go. Now, why would you want to go with the iPad as your main editing machine for your YouTube channel? If you're going to be somebody who is on the go a lot and you don't want to carry your laptop with you and you want to be able to edit your videos and quickly upload to YouTube wherever you are, then the iPad is a great option. You're always going to have your phone with you, so you can always just pull out your phone and film a quick video and immediately just airdrop it to your iPad and you are ready to start editing and you can upload right then and there. And all the other accessories that would go with the iPad can easily fit in your pocket, so you wouldn't have to worry about carrying a bag with you wherever you go. The iPad is small enough to just carry in your hand without feeling like you're carrying something too heavy, so that makes the iPad a great option to edit your videos on. And it is more than capable of editing 4K videos. As long as you're not going crazy with your edits, the iPad should be more than enough to edit your videos on. And this is all I got for you guys today. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like and comment down below to show your support to this channel. And if you're new, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification for more videos like this. And I'll see you next time in the next video.
You know, time is money. Yeah, this ain't money, don't grow on trees. So how I'm pussy get some honeys. If I ain't thuggin', I ain't pushing no weight. I ain't out here pulling up in a race. The ladies won't love me, nobody gon' save me. I might just get a lawyer for my case. Yeah, yeah. Money and everything.